Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So first thing first, we're gonna apply moisturizer, and this is like Oil of Life from the Body Shop. Is my favorite moisturizer of all time. I used to use also the nighttime one, and this is like the daily one. So it's very lightweight, but very, very hydrating. You feel it when you put it on your skin, and I'm putting that all over my face and of course on my neck. Never forget your neck. Yes, it's definitely amazing. Again, you feel like the cream really, really like hydrating your skin. So one of the best probably moisturizer that I've tried so far. So you can see my cat just appear. Of course, he likes being on camera sometimes, and now you will see like just next to me, so don't mind him. Then I'm gonna go with like a primer, and this is Skin Nova by Viev. I received that as a sample because I got some eyeshadow from them. I mean, pencil eyeshadow. Anyway, not the point. So I'm using this. Is the first time. I really like it. I have to say, to be a primer is super, super smooth and hydrating. So, and you see like the glow. So I really like it. Yeah, I have to say, I might actually I might actually buy the actual size, because this again was just a sample. It was for free with some other products I ordered from them. And you can see the glow. Now on my skin, I'm using this new foundation. I mean, I don't know if it's new to me. So it's like from L'Oreal, and of course it's the True Match Nude, but it's a serum. Like it's not the normal foundation. You see like the applicator, and I put it on my brush, really small amount, because a little bit goes long way. Of course, being a serum means that it's no full coverage, but that's amazing for me because I don't like full coverage. I mean, that's not really my thing. It's not that I don't like them, but if I have to choose, I prefer a lightweight, maybe medium coverage foundation. And this is like a serum, so it's got hyaluronic acid in it, so it's also good for your skin. And I really, really like it. And the shade I have, I think, is light medium. But anyway, I will leave everything, of course, down below. But I think it's light medium, which is, to be honest, perfect. Because again, it's very lightweight, so it really blends with my skin. And I have to say that I really like it. So I will definitely probably buy the darker one when I get tanner again. So for now, light medium works perfectly with my skin tone. So really good one. And the brush I'm using is an IT cosmetic brush, and I mean, it's one of the best brush I ever used. So I will link that below as well, because now I don't remember the actual name, but I highly recommend it. So now, yes, of course, I'm checking that everything is fine, but everything is fine. You can see I still got some tan, so this foundation actually match with my lightly tan skin. Anyway, I'm putting some powder, and this again is like the Bye Bye Pores from IT Cosmetic, and I really like this setting powder because it really gives you a flawless finish. And I mean, as you can see, it's white, but it doesn't look white, of course, when you put it on. So it's really, really nice. And today I didn't put any concealer, but I used this one also like over my concealer, of course, and it really gets rid of pores and of any shine, if you have oily skin, or you tend to get shine in your T-zone. So I normally use this powder throughout the day if it's very hot. So it was amazing during summer. I always had it with me because it really helps if you have oily skin and tend to get a little bit glowy. So now these are the products that I got from Viev, and they're like the eye wand. They are amazing. So I got mahogany, hazelnut, and camel. So those are the 3 shades that I got. But I mean, they are really amazing. I'm using camel. As you can see, it's like a pencil, but I mean, it's creamy. I don't know how to explain to you. Probably you can see how it goes on my eyelid. It's just amazing. So creamy. So I don't know the formula, I don't know what they did, but I love it. And of course, then you will see I use a brush just to blend it all on my eye, and it's amazing. It's not oily, it's creamy yet not oily, so it's not greasy or anything, because I don't like creamy. Normally I don't like creamy eyeshadows because they just, yeah, look like a mess. But these dries like, on your lid, and it just stays there all day perfectly. I have to say, like, I love it. Since the day that I got them, I've been using them non-stop. I don't use eyeshadow at the moment anymore. I'm using just this. I mean, sometimes, yeah, probably like, I can use this as a base if I want to put like an eyeshadow on top, because of course it's going to be a perfect base. But on their own, it's just, yeah, I mean, I'm in love with them. So I will definitely buy these ones again. And you can see this shade Camel is perfect for base, but also all over your lid. So that's what I was trying to do. And then I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette. I don't remember the name again. I will try to link down below. And I'm just putting like some of the shimmers over, yeah, this first shade that I put, like, so this Camel. And yeah, you can see how, like, amazing it looks. Just give a little bit of shimmer, not too much, because again, I'm not a huge fan of like, yeah, super glittery eyeshadows, but I like some shimmer, especially like now, because it's still like, technically, I mean, it's not full yet, so we can still go with like a little bit of, yeah, nice shimmer on our eyes, no? So I'm using the same color also like by, on my, oh my god, seriously, I'm like, just forgetting the words, but yeah, oh my god, bottom lid, and yeah, and then with the brush I'm gonna just blend everything so everything looks nice and and blends together and seamless. So yeah, you can see, and it's so easy because basically it's an eyeshadow, but again, it's a pencil. So even when you have to like use it like to be precise, you can use it the same way you will do with an eye pencil, but again, it's an eyeshadow. So, and again, don't forget, it's super, super creamy. So again, one of the best thing ever. And now, of course, I'm trying like, yeah, with the foundation brush, just to make sure that everything is nice and smooth. And I didn't add any foundation, of course, but of course, it's got some left, so that will help to make everything again looks seamless. Yeah, so far I get to say I really like how this easy makeup is, is coming. It's very easy. But now another new product that I'm using, you can see, is my Ula contour. You can see now I'm using just like as a mirror, but I will use it like in the tutorial. I will use this contour. But now, as you can see, I'm doing my eyebrows, and again, I will link everything down below. The color is definitely dark brown. I think it's called Wonder Brown, but yeah, I'm not 100% positive, so I will link everything down below, so you can actually see the actual name of what I'm using. But for my eyebrows, since I dyed them the day before, they are like already quite defined and dark, so I'm just brushing the product through my eyebrows just to make them a little bit darker, but yeah, and probably like more like in place, I would say. But I don't like doing too much to my eyebrows. This mascara, best mascara ever. So it's from Federico Maara. So I don't know, like if you know, basically FM. And it's really, really amazing. It gives you like, yeah, the false lashes effect. So again, I will link it down below. Even though if you, have any question, if you want to know, like, how to buy it, like, and everything, just leave a comment, because I can get it for you, since I do work for FM. So there you go. I mean, probably already, because I have a video when I started this a few months ago, and I'm explaining like everything about the brand and the company. So this mascara is amazing, and it's called Legendary Full HD Lashes Mascara. So I mean, it's super affordable. It's a dupe for an Yves Saint Laurent mascara, kind of. So I will 100% recommend to get your hand on this, because it's always like, yeah, sold out. It's amazing. It's super affordable, and it gives you such, yeah, long and thick lashes. So anyway, going back with like, yeah, my eyeshadow, I'm just using the same brush that I used before to blend a little bit more. So I didn't add any products. I'm just, yeah, blending everything. Now, this brush is from Charlotte Tilbury, and I love this like brush for my bronzer. And as I told you before, I'm using my Hoola Bronzer Contourist, which is again one of the new products that I got recently, and it's got all the 4 shades of Hoola. So you got the light, you got your classic Hoola bronzer, you got caramel, you got toast. So I'm normally using just the standard like Hoola bronzer, and sometimes I use a little bit of caramel, which was my shade throughout all summer. So I'm now using Hoola, and of course put like on forehead, cheekbones, and also like on all the perimeters of my face, so also like on my jawline, and I will put some also like on my nose, and then I will go with some caramel as well, just to deepen a bit the contour. So I will say like they're probably like if I don't use fake tan or anything, so like my normal fall winter color, probably like Hoola bronzer, like it's enough, and I can just use caramel to just deepen a bit. But definitely like during summer, or if I really like wanna self tan, then caramel is my shade. Toast is really like a little bit too dark for me, but it's a very nice shade to use as an eyeshadow, same as light. So I mean, this palette is amazing because you got all the 4 shades, so it's perfect for everyone. And you can use, bronzer as eyeshadows again. So it was quite affordable as well. So definitely something you will have to buy. I will tell you, So now I'm using Honey Love from MAC on my lips. This is like, as you can see, one of my favorites. I don't have a lot left. Very basic nude, but I really like it. And yeah, this is basically my finished look. It's very simple. You can see how much my skin is glowing. It's probably from Skin Nova, but also from the serum, because of course it's not a foundation. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like the video, and I see you next time.